Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are good. Now, today our topic is related to the web development. And in last our video, we discuss about the what is the front end developer, what is the back end, who is full stack developer. So here today we are discussing some the responsibilities of the and their responsibilities and duties of a full stack developer. I just go through you guys from the full stack developer in our previous lecture. So let's get started without wasting any time. Okay, what is the full stack web developer? Is the it's a developer task with the several website related tasks. Means commonly it's called that developing front and website device, and one by one would discuss the all duties of his. So first क्या हो सकती है उसकी ड्यूटी कि he I told you it's one is the front end developer and the other is the back end developer, and the person who knows have the knowledge of to operate both sides is known as full stack developer. So developing front end websites, understanding user interface and user experience design. What is the meaning of front end website design? Okay, he know that how the look of the website which is showing to the user. So understand user interface and user experience designs के यूजर को किस किस्म की चीज इजी लगेगी, कैसा उसको उसका वो इंटरफेस होना चाहिए. तो ही हैज द आइडिया ऑफ ऑल दैट अबाउट writing technical documentation. So this is another big thing, which that what is the technical documentation is means that you are developing a product and you are producing the person who is who is the user. He has no idea how it works, how it develops. He has no idea, he is totally naive. So how it which thing help it out, that documentation which you create, and that is good for you. Some person if someone is living that product or project, the other person come and see the documentation and get the some great. So this is good for the for your documentation is very good for your backup. Okay, next is designing website architecture. So here is architecture is very important. Architecture, he is the means of art architecture. So he knows everything from start to end. He knows everything. It's about designing, it's about architecture, it's about documentation, it's about your front end interface, about your databases, about your platforms optimization, about it's all about he knows all the duties, he knows all the stuff. So next is implementing data security protocols. You know that we cannot upload data, we cannot receive data, we cannot did it. We have some rights, user have some other rights, admin have some other rights. So this is all the implementing data security protocols, which is also are include in his responsibility. Okay, the next is creating servers and database. So without database nothing is happened, because if you have not a container, where you put your information, where you store. Basically why we use softwares, we used to store our data in in our traditional way. We use file system, so we use files, we use diaries. So in now current days, this is called in advancement, that you have no need to write the something and to take it. You just have to enter and forget. Your data, your million trillion of data is saved. But in your traditional way, you cannot save, and a person cannot save a lot of data. But here in software and save data. So database is very the very big topic. Okay, database, all the that is a merge of all the stuff. It's called a full stack developer. Is a glow of the that. So next we have is ensuring cross-platform optimization for mobile devices. So now we know that we use on laptop, LCDs, and on. So how it look like, how it is responsive if you are open on a web, on a mobile, on a iPad, on a laptop. So it's a change its look according to that. It's also the responsibility of the full stack developer. Here we have a few full stack developer responsibilities, and that's all. And I hope you understand the responsibilities of the full stack, the who those person, because these are the common question which is asked and which arise on your head when you are watching some some jobs, and so who they are. So if you have the basic knowledge of it, it's good for you. There's nothing more than that. Okay, the next topic is we have is HTML. That is my favorite. This is a front end side language. Front end side means that you are creating something which is shown to your users. So user interact. This is HTML. Now we're discussing the one language, everything in detail. Here just we are giving just you a little introduction to related stuff. Okay, this thing as just we are discussing, and this material is, by the way, I'm telling that this is from some net sources, and I just take it, I like it, and I feel that it is very brief and very excellent to told you guys and explain it. I'm just explaining it because knowledge is something which is how you can explain it to somebody. So that is not matter. The thing is that someone is understand something from someone, and someone cannot understand this is going to be a bubble. Okay, next to move towards our topic, that is HTML. Okay, it's a hypertext markup language, which allow to define a website basic structures. We talk about the design structure. So it's just you build a house, and you create a, what I could say, that is template. Okay, this create a template without any making the stuff like which make it beautify. It's just create a template, basic structure of design. It tells the browser what to display on a device screen and how elements like paragraph, list, images arrange. So in detail we discuss about all this in our next further videos. I hope you are great enjoying you are and I wish that you appreciate my work as well by clicking on subscribe button, and which is below down. So next, HTML is very accessible and can provide an excellent introduction for people who are the new to coding. So it's mean that it is very easy to learn for the new people who are coming towards the this side, development side. It's very easy. Even a person have no idea, even a person have no degree, he belongs to some other subject, he can also do, because it's like very interesting to do when something look please you, so make you to involve in that. And this is all this. Okay, it's critical part of web developer toolkit and act as a jumping off point for all. These are the not necessary thing for you, just for you. It is a core of the website, the main thing to understand that HTML is the core thing of the website. Okay, okay. Websites are utilized powerful script like so. We have a structure. We create a structure, and then we create that. Now today, just learn what is the structure. So with the help of this we create HTML, we create structure, and then we design it with CSS, and then we make it functional through JavaScript. So with all this we create our product, and you keep up with me, and we do so much learning stuff we have to do with, and we create a project responsible. I hope you like my video. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.